Meaning of fearfulness.
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 Fearfulness. Fearfulness refers to the state of being afraid or scared. It is characterized by an overwhelming sense of anxiety or apprehension in the face of perceived danger or threat, either real or imagined. This emotion can have various physiological, psychological, and behavioral effects on a person, including increased heart rate, rapid breathing, sweating, avoidance, and impaired decision-making. Chronic fearfulness can lead to serious mental health problems such as phobias, panic disorders, and generalized anxiety disorder. Therefore, it is important to seek professional help if fearfulness becomes persistent and interferes with daily life activities.